This is a review of the LENCENT travel adapter, USB high speed. First thing to note about this is that it is a non-grounded device, meaning it only has the hot and the neutral pins that go in the wall, but not earth. So it's for use with double insulated devices only. For use with unearthed appliances only, no grounding. It can be used in Australia, and these pins bend, so it can be used in the US as well. It can be used in the UK. Note that this pin here, the grounding pin, is plastic, not connected, and it can be used in the EU in the variety of different configurations. Again, no grounding pin. So, variety of different inputs there, as indicated here. And on the other side, multiple different formats can be used to be plugged in. So it's not just for US devices, it's for any of those devices on the front will fit in here, different prong configurations. There's also a status light which turns on, so it's blue, and two 5V 2.4 amp USB-A sockets. The thing I like about this is it's nice and convenient. No slide-on parts, everything's all in a single unit, has USB, and it does have a status light. So, good. Oh, there's no transformer in here, meaning that it's not converting 110 volts to 240 or 240 back to 110. It's up to the user to make sure that anything that's plugged in will do voltage conversion, as most electronic devices will do. Nice and convenient. Just throw it in your bag and you're good to go.